Sa video na to, sasagutan natin ang mga combination problems. So, I hope meron kayong mga calculators na hawak para mas madali na lang yung ating pag-solve ng mga problems. So, let's start with number 1. If there are 12 teams in a basketball tournament and each team must play every other team in the eliminations, how many elimination games will be there? Will there be? So, hinahanap natin kung ilan lahat yung elimination. So, sa isang game sa basketball, ilan ba yung kailangan natin na team? So, we need 2 teams na maglaban sa isang game. So, ibig sabihin, this one is under combination because pwede namang maglaban any team. So, you can choose any opponent, no? Kasi kailangan mong kalabanin lahat dito. So, this one is combination of 12 taken 2 at a time. So, we need 2 teams para maglaban sa isang game. And there are 12 teams. So, that is combination of 12 taken 2 at a time. So, ito yung magiging itsura niya. So, pag gamitan natin sa formula, maging ganito. So, that is 12 factorial, right? Over r factorial, which is 2. Tapos, that is 12 minus 10 factorial. Or that is 12 factorial over 2 factorial, 10 factorial. So, pwede na ninyong i-extend ito siya. That is 12 times 11 times 10 times and so on and so forth. So, pag i-solve natin, so let's have a blank sheet here. So, we have yung 12 factorial over 2 factorial, 10 factorial. So, it is 12 times 11 times 10. Manually, ganito yung gagawin, no? Kung wala tayong calculator. 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 2 times 1 times, ito yung 2 factorial, tapos times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So, para ma-lessen na lang yung work natin, pwede naman ito siya i-divide nito. So, nag-iwan na lang is 12 times 11 over 2 times 1. So, that is 12 times 11 is 132 over 2. So, divided by 2, that is 66. So, there are 66 eliminations. So, manually, ito yung gagawin nyo. But if you have your calculator with you, no, kung mayroon yung calculator, so, ang gagawin na lang ninyo is a combination of 12. So, in your calculator, you press first 12. Tapos, yung combination, taken 2 at a time. So, equal. The answer is 66. Okay? So, siguro kailangan nyo talaga ng calculator. You have to have your calculator. Para medyo madali na lang sa ating summative test. Okay. So, the answer is 66. There are 66 elimination games. Okay, number 2. If there are 7 distinct points on a plane with no 3 of which are collinear, how many different polygons can be possibly formed? So, this one is also the same yung isang example do sa isang video natin, no? So, there are 7 distinct points on a plane. So, magkakaibang point. So, ilan daw yung magagawang polygon? So, we know that the smallest polygon in terms of size is the triangle. So, ilan yung kailangan natin na side sa triangle? We need 3. So, we will start with 3, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides, and the biggest is 7 sides. Sige. So, for our solution, we have, this is for number 1. For number 2 naman, our solution is, first is combination of 7. There are 7 points. Taken 3 at a time. Ito yung first polygon natin, which is triangle. Plus, combination of 7. Taken 4 at a time. Plus, combination of 7 taken 5 at a time, plus combination of 7 taken 6 at a time. The last is combination of 7 taken 7 at a time. So if you have your calculator, no need, hindi na niyo kailangan mag-manual ng ganito. So you can directly press the button yung mga kailangan nyo sa calculator. So, we have combination of 7 taken 3 at a time is equal to 35 plus what is combination of 7, or in your calculator, press for 7 tas combination 4. So, that's 35 plus combination of 7 taken 5 at a time, so that is 21, plus combination of 7 taken 6 at a time, so that is 7, and combination of 7 taken 7 at a time, that is 1. So you're going to add. We're going to add that one. 35 plus 35, 70, plus 21, 91, plus 7, 98, plus 1, 99. So, there are 99 polygons. Okay, let's proceed with number 3. So, for number 3, how many different sets of 5 cards each can be formed from a standard deck of 52 cards? So, yung hindi pa alam, there are 52 cards, no, sa isang standard deck. So, meron tayong 52 cards. So, out of that 52 cards, ilan daw yung magagawa natin? Ilan daw yung magagawa natin na combination? 5 cards. So, this one is a combination because you can select any of the 52 cards. So, ibig sabihin, ang solution natin dito is combination of 52 cards taken 5 cards at a time. So the answer is 52 combination 5. So the answer is, so medyo malaki ang sagot dito, no? So 2,598,960 sets of cards, of 5 cards. Okay, number 4. In a 10-item mathematics problem-solving test, how many ways can you select 5 problems to solve? So, in answering a 10-item mathematics test, hindi naman kailangan na mayroon siyang order, di ba? Okay, kailangan mong sagutan mo na yung number 1 before you can answer number 2. So, walang sinabi na ganyan. So, you can choose any problem. So, ang tinatanong dito, ilan daw yung ways can you select 5 problems to solve? So, that is, for number 4, combination of 10 items taken 5 items at a time. So, kailangan mo lang sagutan yung 5. Ilan yung combination? So, that is 10 combination 5. So, there are 252. There are 252 ways. You can select 5 problems to solve. Okay, for number 5, in problem number 4, how many ways can you select the 5 questions if you are required, no, to answer question number 10? So, ibig sabihin, for number 5, kailangan mong sagutan talaga yung item number 10. So, wala kang choice. So, ibig sabihin, ang magiging combination natin dito is combination of 9 na lang siya, and you're going to answer 5 of that 9 questions. Bakit 9? Kasi you are required to answer item number 10. So, wala kang choice. So, sasagutan mo talaga siya. So, 9 na lang yung pagpipilian mo ng mga test items. So, magiging ganito yung itsura niya. So, that is combination of 9 taken 5 at a time. So, the answer is 126 ways. Okay, number 6. In how many ways can a committee of 5 be formed from 5 juniors and 7 seniors if the committee must have 3 seniors? Okay, yung committee, meron tayong, ilan na yung magagawa na committee of 5, no? So, meron tayong 5 juniors and 7 seniors. So, meron tayong 5 juniors and meron tayong 7 seniors. Then, tinatanong tayo kung ilan yung mabubuo na committee of 5, ilan yung ways that we can have a committee of 5. Tapos may condition dito that it must have 3 seniors. So dapat 3 yung dito. Ibig sabihin, para mabuo na 5 sila, 2 yung kailangan natin sa junior. Kasi ang condition dito, tatlo man daw ang seniors. So ibig sabihin, dalawa yung galing sa junior. So, ibig sabihin, magiging ganito yung answer natin. For the junior, ito sa junior, ito siya, combination of 5, lahat yung junior, no? Ang kailangan lang natin is 2 times, sa senior naman, we need 3. So, combination of, there are 7 seniors, taken 3 at a time. So that is equal to, this one is 2 at a time. That is 10 times 7, combination 3, that is 35. So 10 times 35 is 350 ways. So there are 350 ways that you can create a committee of 5, na kung saan merong 2 juniors, merong 3 seniors. Okay, for number 7, from a population of 50 households, in how many ways can a researcher select a sample with a size of 10? So, mandali lang ito siya. Kailangan lang natin ng 10. So, there are 50 households. So, for number 7, so, combination of 50 households, tapos, you just need 10 at a time. So, combination of 50 taken 10 at a time. So, that is, so, the answer is, so, ininag ka siya sa calculator. So, exponential form na siya. So, that is 1.027 times 10 raised to the 10 power. Yan. So, masyadong malaki yung ways or yung population. Okay, let's proceed with number 8. A box contains 5 red balls, 7 green balls, and 6 yellow balls. In how many ways can 6 balls be chosen if there should be 2 balls of each color? So, ibig sabihin, dito kailangan natin ng dalawang ball, dalawang ball, dalawang ball. So, that is combination of 5 taken 2 at a time times combination of 7 taken 2 at a time times combination of 6 taken 2 at a time. So the answer is 5, that is 10. The answer here is 10 times 7 combination 2, 21. Here naman we have 6 combination 2, 15. So if you're going to multiply that one times 10 times 21, so the answer is 3,150. 3,150. Ba? Yes, 3,150. Okay, let's proceed with number 9. From 7 biology books and 6 chemistry books, in how many ways can one select 2 biology and 2 chemistry books to buy if all of the said books are equally necessary? So, since equally necessary siya, kailangan mo talagang bumili ng dalawang biology and dalawang chemistry. So, ibig sabihin, dalawa yung kailangan mo dito sa biology, dalawa din yung kailangan mo dito sa chemistry. So, that is combination of, sa biology ito, no? Wait, equally important kasi sila. So, for the biology, ito yung combination niya. Combination of 7, and you need 2 books times combination of 6 taken 2 at a time for the chemistry book. So that is 7 combination 2 is 21 times 6 combination 2, that is 15. So 21 times 15. So the answer is 315. So there are 315 ways. You can select 2 biology book and 2 chemistry books from 7 biology books and 6 chemistry books. Okay, number 10. Mrs. Rivera's business is gown rental and sale. She decided one day that she would display her 10 newest gowns in her shop's window to attract customers. If she only had 5 mannequins and planned to change the set of gowns every 2 days, so papalitan niya yung mannequins in every 2 days, how many days will have to pass before she runs out of a new set of display? So meron lang siyang 5 mannequins, tapos meron siyang new west gowns. So ibig sabihin, ang kailangan lang niya dito is sa 10 gown, kailangan lang niya ng 5 kasi 5 lang yung mannequin niya. So that is combination. For number 10 na tayo, no? Combination of 10 gowns and she only need 5, taken 5 at a time. Kasi 5 lang yung mannequins niya. So that is equal to combination of 10 taken 5 at a time. So there are meron siyang 252 ways paano niya ma-design yung kanyang mannequin, no? To change, there are 252 ways ng set of gowns. Pero tinatanong dito, we're not looking for how many ways, no? ang tinatanong dito is, ilan yung days, how many days will have to pass before she runs out of a new set of display. So, ilan yung days bago maubusan siya ng display, ng new set of to display. So, wala na siyang ibang ma-display, wala na siyang ibang combination na ma-display. So, ilan? So, since every 2 days man kasi siya, every 2 days man siyang pinapalitan yung mga mannequin. So, ibig sabihin, we will just multiply 2 here. So, times 2 days. Kasi every 2 days man yung palitan ng gown sa mannequin. So, ibig sabihin, 252 times 2 days. So, 504. So, pagdating ng 504th day, wala na siyang, after 504 days, wala na siyang new set of new display. Ano tawag doon? New set to display, new set of gowns to display. So, 400 days before siya maubusan ng new set of gown to display. Okay, all of these examples na discuss natin are combinations because hindi kailangan ng arrangement. There is no arrangement kasi you can just select objects from a given object. So, you're just selecting. Wala naman sinabi na meron siyang arrangement. So, yun yung combination. So, I hope may mga natutunan kayo sa ating mga examples. So, thank you and God bless everyone.